So my mom recently got this USB hub with individual power to power some light fixtures and such, and aka mini candles in the family room because her previous one broke. So I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. So this right here can just be used as a regular wall outlet, but you can also use it to get 5 gigabit Ethernet. It's driver free. Has 4 USB 3.0 ports on it. A little bit outdated, but it has an LED switch control and 1 USB-C port, and that's the DC power output. This was made in China, by the way. This is a diagram of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's open this up. This is right here is a user guide. This right here is a cable that you can use Ethernet apparently. This right here is how you power it. Again, not the most intuitive one I've seen if you're just going to use it with your computer. And this right here is the actual cheap power output itself. These buttons. What do these buttons do? So it turns them on off as you need it. This feels very, very cheap, which has to be expected. And so that's really all I have about this USB hub. So as always, thank you all for viewing this video. I'm the Nations Family, and peace out.